Wakey times for Sleepy Burrito. This fell out and I didn't lose it and I got it back in. Peanut butter soup, please. Second day pog. I'm cringing, even to myself. Our guide looks like Pippin from Lord of the Rings. And then descended upon them a plague of kayakers. Aaron, you look so picturesque. Aaron, you ready to listen to the worms?
I'm listening to the worms every day, all day.
Every day, all day? Listening to the worms. Just casually taking the boat for a walk. You guys are so talented, you're running holes backwards now! How were the worms?
The worms were somewhat good.
And now we walk. When you forget the guy you're camping with is technically your boss, and now he's trying to get you to do work. Guacamole. I come bearing guacamole. It's kind of like the perfect temperature to be on the water right now. Like any colder and it would be too cold. This is like perfect. We'll definitely be bundled up later. Will be like a chilly night, but right now it's very nice. Today so far has been a little more interesting because we were actually able to run something instead of just like playing around at the bottom of one of the like class ones and doing some Swifties and stuff. It's raining. It's raining. That's why there's so many chipmunks. Chipmunk mitosis.
Yes, it is chipmunk mitosis. They just like divide in half. And they divide in half through the body, and the tail has to grow a new head, and the head has to grow a new tail.
That seems reasonable, actually.
And they're half the size, so that's why you see little ones running around. Oh. And they grow into big, and that's what they do to mitosis.
These so-called baby chipmunks are actually
half
mitosis baby chipmunks.
Mitosis chipmunks.
They're as small as a baby, but
half metastasized chipmunks.
Their brains are fully developed.
Sometimes it is accidental, and they accidentally grow another tail, but those ones don't survive.
While we were scouting this rapid, I made friends with a really sweet snake, so now I have to go find him again. Just like the sweetest fucking little slither baby, I've abandoned the others to go find my friend. Where's my sweet baby? Yeah. Hi. Hi, my little noodle. Hi, baby. Oh, look at this sweet little slither baby. Look at this little sweetheart. Look at your baby. Hi. Look at this sweet little slither baby. Literally, just the sweetest little wild snake. So used to people. Just, oh, hi. The sweetest little noodle. Oh, you're okay, you're okay. Yeah, I know. There's a big giant picking you up. It's scary, but you're such a sweetheart. Little baby. Everyone else is just running the rapids, and I'm just like, I found a snake. No! Look at your little face. Look how sweet this little noodle is. You're not scary. You're just a sweet little baby. Hi, sweet baby. Like I said, I found that little dude while we were scouting the rapids, so like everyone else was there, and the guide was talking, and I just scared the fuck out of everyone by just picking it up. But I'm like, no, don't worry, he's nice. Ominous clouds. It did get sunny for a bit, so we aren't swimming. What a lovely sound. Did I just run outside to grab things before it started raining too hard while not wearing pants? Yeah, I did that. I guess I was right, the cloud was quite ominous. Into the thick of it! It be raining! I have a thing about having water in my ears, and I know all I've done this trip is complain, and that is not fair because it's actually been pretty fun. We just finished swimming and I got water in my ears, and I have really sensitive ears, so they will probably start hurting, but I just hate it because it makes me feel trapped in my own head, if that makes sense. Like, I can hear the water and it makes me feel trapped, so. Wait till the RV comes with a dad mute button.
Yes, one that has just been discovered by us and has probably served many people in the past.
It's been sitting in this RV for 20 years.
Time I did this, I did that, the other thing, and you should do this and that.
Slow button.
Now you have to speak slowly. I have your... It doesn't work.
Ooh, this one makes him dance.
The intrepid mother cooking in the rain. Wow. She can cook inside, she's just choosing not to.
That's great.
Shit. Seems to be a bit of a river taking shape. Shit. I anticipated this. I brought an extra one. It's not matching, but it will suffice. I wonder how many piercing balls have been lost to the void at this point. Want to know why I couldn't find the Sour Patch Kids?
Why? Wow. In the microwave.
Every last Sour Patch Kid for myself.
So,
This is my favorite part of Europe.
Okay, so.
Yeah, the numbers in this game are really weird. Or like the points, because
Your turn.
what? Oh, okay. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 4, 4 is 7. And then it just gets weirder. I am very much losing by a lot. I'm back here.
I guess time to save a long, long time.
I've been straight up abandoned. Erin's stuff got all wet, so she left me to go sleep in the trailer. I'll just sleep in the tent all lonely by myself then.